Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. Alright, so we're comparing the Weber Q1200 and the Genesis 2E315, both Weber grills, but pretty different beasts, right?
Totally. The Q1200 is that compact, portable propane grill, and the Genesis 2E315 is a full-sized, natural gas grill. It is not available now, though.
Exactly. Let's talk cooking area. The Q1200 has a small cooking surface area of 189 square inches. Good for a small family or tailgating type of thing.
And the Genesis 2E315 boasts a much larger 669 square inches. That's a big difference. You could grill for a whole party.
Definitely a consideration. How about burners? The Q1200 has just one burner putting out 8,500 BTU.
The Genesis 2E315 has 3 burners cranking out 39,000 BTU. More burners. More even heat. More control, I guess.
Seems so. Now, fuel type is also a big one. The Q1200 uses those disposable propane cylinders, making it super portable. You can use a larger propane tank with an adapter.
The Genesis 2E315, well, it's natural gas only. So you're stuck with using a natural gas line.
Portability versus staying put. That's the choice. What about materials?
Both are Weber, so you get good quality. The Q1200 has porcelain enameled cast iron grates and a cast aluminum lid and body. The Genesis 2E315 has porcelain enameled cast iron and steel.
The Q1200 weighs only 30 pounds, and the Genesis 2E315 is a hefty 148 pounds. Not lugging that around, are you?
Nope. One is a breeze to move and the other not so much.
Any fancy features to note?
The Genesis 2E315 is iGrill 3 compatible, which is cool if you're into smart grilling. And a warming rack.
Good point. The Q1200 has folding side tables, which is handy for its portability. Electronic ignition on both for easy starts.
So it really comes down to what you want. Portable and compact, or larger and more powerful? And are you set up for natural gas? That's the big question.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.